are gonna approach this bracket, which it kind of bounces around too much when you are on a dirt road doing 100 km an hour or something like that. So that's basically the main part of this work. Also, you can see here when it bounces, it's starting to come apart of the roof rack itself. So we're gonna fix it. But I mean, I paid $500 for this roof rack 5 years ago. I've used it for loading up building materials, camping, moving houses, everything that you can think of. I fully loaded, never had a single issue with it. And well, it's not a well-known brand, but it works fucking fantastic. So if you are on the market for a roof rack for a Holden, Colorado, I'm gonna put the link somewhere up here, or maybe somewhere up here, you will see on the YouTube video. And yeah, I'm not a sponsor anyway, I'm just reviewing a good product that I bought many years ago. Alright, let's get stuck into it. So the plan is to give it a little sand just for the surface rust. Then from there we are gonna spray paint it with a bit of the satin black, the one we used on the snorkel last time. The product was alright, can't complain about it. This is still holding up pretty good on the stainless steel snorkel, so we might give it a go, this too. Glass washer first, normal washer, night locks. with the router. That would be the perfect spot for that little nut to go into there, and then we just slide it in. So basically the idea is that we get something like that. That's a M12 hoop. So the nut is about 20 mil, give or take. So that's about the same size hole that we're gonna cut here. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna get it a little bit to the edge. We mark it out. Actually, we should come a little bit closer. We get it there. You can just project this line. That's more or less when it's gonna go. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the nut on that edge. So as you can see, the system ended up working right. So the little slots, they do just make it quick, easy to move around whenever you want it. So once it's done, the only thing left to do is put it all back into the car. As I was on my own, I just managed to put it on a rack and then slide it over and just slightly push it in. Now have a look at the videos. As you can see, the brackets are solid as that's us driving at probably 50 kilometers an hour through a very corrugated road, and it looks fantastic. Alright, have a good one guys, cheers.